Hello, welcome back to Home Design Studio again. This is our AutoCAD series on how to design and model a simple and small residential house. And in some previous tutorials, we saw on how to create grids, create walls, add windows and doors. And in today's tutorial, we are going to look on how to place furniture. To simplify the task, I have already prepared the most important blocks that we are going to use to kind of populate our plans. And for that reason, I think the tutorial will be much more easier for us. But before I get into that particular tutorial, I would like to ask you to like this tutorial because it really helps me a lot. And if you haven't already, I suggest you subscribe to this channel because I make tutorials like this every day. To add furniture, we are going to start with the master bedroom, where we are going to add the bed, the cabinet, and some TV area. To do that, we are going to take this king size bed here and then copy it. Use copy, and you can even move it because these are all copies. Now I can move this one. Go to move, and I am going to place it in here. I'm going to deactivate the ortho mode, and I am going to place it somewhere around here. I will not really attach it to the wall. All right, like that. Now I'm going to add the wardrobe. I'm going to move it again. I'm going to take this corner and I will place it in that particular corner. And for this remaining side, we are going to place the TV. I'm going to take this small TV stand and I'm going to move it, and I am going to place it somewhere here. All right, now let's go to the master bath. I'm going to pick this bath and I'm going to move it, and I am going to place it right in the corner, and I will try to move it a little bit far from the wall and a little bit down like this one. Okay, now I am going to place, I guess it is the sink. Now what are we going to do? We are going to pick this one in here, and I will copy this one, copy, and I'm going to take this particular one and I'm going to place it somewhere here, a bit down. Okay, now I'm going to pick the toilet tube and I'm going to move it, pick that particular point and put it right in the middle of that wall. Now this particular tube, I'm going to use it and copy, and now I am going to pick this side and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the middle again, and what I'm going to do is to mirror that one, and I'm going to mirror this way. I'm going to activate the ortho mode, and that's how I am going to do that. And they ask me if I want to erase the object source. I am going to click on yes. All right, now I'm going to place the bath on this side again. I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to copy that, and maybe I will use the center. okay, the middle, in the middle of that, and I'm going to deactivate the author mode. Then I'm going to place it somewhere here. All right, that way. Maybe we can move it a little bit further. Let me do it. Okay, now let's add the sink, like the hand washer. I'm going to use this one, this small one. I'm going to make a move, and I'm going to pick the middle of that particular one, and I am going to place it somewhere here, and I am going to move a little bit. I am going to activate the author mode so that it can be straight. Okay, that's it. I'm now going to populate the kids room. I will use these double beds. Let me move this one. I'm going to, okay, now I am going to deactivate the author mode. Let me place this one somewhere here, and I'm going to move it a little bit down. Okay, now use that particular wardrobe. I will now mirror that, and I'll pick this grid, activate the author mode, and I'll do this. Erase the SAS, no. Okay, that's actually it. Now we are done with this particular room, and we are going to continue with the living room. I'm going to use these sofas. I'm going to move them and place it right here. I'm going to deactivate the author mode. All right, okay, Control Z, and move this particular one. I'm going to deactivate, and now what I'm going to do is, okay, I do not know what's wrong with this one. I'll move it again. Okay, I activate the author mode, and okay, now that's it. Now I'm going to place the TV. I think we need this one. Okay, move, and I'm going to take the middle of that one, move, and pick that particular one. Now I'm going to put it on that particular wall, right in the middle of it. That's it. Now we are going to go with this dining. Okay, now let's select this one. I will use copy and take this one and place the dining here. Okay, I think we are almost done. I'm going to move this a little bit up. Okay, but maybe it's better to keep it that way. Okay, maybe I can rotate to see what happens. Let me rotate and see if it's going to give a little bit of space. Okay, let me do this way. Okay, I think no, that's not correct. So I will Control Z to have it in the initial position. That's it. Now let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to put this kitchen layout here. I'm going to take this one and do copy. Then I'll not copy because I will copy this one. Okay, copy, and then I will take this one and put it somewhere here. Okay, now I will need a table on the other side. I will need this particular table. I will move this one and I will place it somewhere here, maybe like this, maybe like this. Okay, that's great. Now I'll pick this table, copy. I'll not copy because I do no longer need it. I will copy, I remove this one. Okay, now I place another table here. Okay, that particular table, we are good at that particular one. That's really great. Now let's do, okay, we have already finished this one, and for this particular store, I'm going to use something like this one. I'm going to take this one, I will use copy, put it somewhere here, and this particular one is going to be used. I'm going to take this one, ungroup, and okay, ungroup. Okay, select this one and group. Okay, what's that? So I will explode. Okay, now I'm going to remove this one because I do not need it. This one and also these ones. Okay, I don't need this edge here. Okay, this one, no, and this one, that's fine. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to group it once again. Okay, and I will place it in the light layer. Now after I set this one, I'm going to use mirror and I'm going to place another one here. Let me activate the author mode. Now that's it. I will not delete the source file. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go to this barbecue area and see what we can do with that. I will need a kind of tool like this one. I will copy and I will place it somewhere around here. Let me deactivate the author mode and I will place this one around here. Okay, now let's go to this barbecue area. Now what I am going to do is to place a kind of I'm going to look for something that is suitable for that particular area. And what is that? I think I am going to put this particular one. Okay, I think this is suitable for that particular area. Now I'm going to copy this one and place it somewhere here. Okay, okay, like this one. Now this outside area, I'm going to put a small tree. Let me pick which one. I'm going to pick this one or even that one, but that one is okay. Now let me pick this one and place it somewhere here. Actually it should be placed in here. Okay, now that's it.